to change your Facebook name without waiting 60 days. First, ensure that your Facebook application is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store, search for Facebook, and update the app if there's an available update. Once updated, open the app, tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, and scroll down to select Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem and choose Profile from the options. Describe your issue in the text box and upload a screenshot if necessary. Tap Send to submit your report. You'll receive a response from the Facebook team shortly. Alternatively, you can change your Facebook name without waiting by using a browser. Search for Change Facebook Name and select the first result. Fill out the form provided, including uploading a document stating your name. Enter your email and hit Send. Wait for 24 to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. That's how you can change your Facebook name without waiting for 60 days. Thank you and have a great day.